Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today I will show you 3 simple ways to fix numbers stored as text in Excel. Let's get started. This data shows numbers stored as text, as you can see here. Let's convert them back to proper numbers. Method 1 is by using number format. Number format tells Excel to treat the data as numbers. Let's begin. First, select the data that needs to be converted, in this case from cell B2 to B13. Now go to the Home tab. In the Number group, select the drop-down menu and choose Number. As you can see here, Excel will now treat them as real numbers. Let's move on to the next method. Method 2 is by using Multiply with Paste Special. This method multiplies text values by 1 to convert text to numbers. First, in a helper cell of your choice, in this case C2, type 1 and reselect the cell and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Next, select the cells that needs to be converted, in this case from cell B2 to B13. Right-click on the data and choose Paste Special. On the new pop-up window named Paste Special, under the operation, choose Multiply and press OK. Go back to the helper cell, press Escape and delete. Now let's check it. As you can see here, Excel has now turned them as general, which is also a numeric format. Let's move on to the next method. Method 3 is by using value function. The value function turns text into numbers. Let's try it out. In a new column, in this case, column C, type this formula, equals value, choose the targeted cell, in this case cell B2, close the bracket, press enter, and drag down to autofill. As you can see here, Excel has turned the numbers as general, which is also a numeric format. And that's it. 3 simple ways to fix numbers stored as text in Excel. Download the workbook linked below. Feel free to share any questions or feedback in the comments and visit excelinsider.com for more tutorials on Excel and Google Sheets.